The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune to Channel 3 for further details.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for Southwestern Logan County, North Central Sangamon County, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Sherman, or near Springfield, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Williamsville around 3:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Elkhart and Cortland. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 101 and 114.